Snowy? Did you do that? Did you do this? Come here, Snowy, come. Come here. No. Come here. Did we have a little accident? What happened to ringing the bell? What did you do? What's this? What's this, Snowy? Snowy, what's this? Come here. Come here. What did you do? Come here. No, come. Come on. What's this? What's this? Oh, you don't want to look at it. It stinks. I know it stinks. Snowy is kenneled up. Yeah. You know why you're in there, right, Snowy? It is about 5:30. Generally around this time, Snowy's running around, playing with her toys, playing with Mama, playing with Maya. But no, not today. You know why you were in there, right? You ran away from Maya. Maya was trying to put you in the house, take you off the line and put you in the house, and you ran away. That was bad. Not a good doggy. You ran all the way down the street away from Maya. And then what did you do? You went to our next door neighbors and you ate all of their cat food. All of their cat food. Bad girl. And we don't eat other people's food. What kind of food was it? I don't think the cat food is going to hurt her because it's going to be mostly meat. But very bad. And from what I understand, you ate a lot. A lot. Like you huffed everything down. You have 2 cats. So, Snowy will not be eating tonight. And Snowy will not be running around the house tonight. So you will spend all night in the kennel. You get bathroom breaks. But that's it. Okay. But come. Come, Snowy. No more, okay? No more running away. No more running away. No more eating other people's food. Sit. 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 No more eating other animals' food. I almost said people. Sit. Sit. No going to the neighbors, hogging all their food. Okay. Shake. We shake on it. No more. High five. Okay. All right. I love you. Kennel up, please. Kennel. No. No, kennel. Kennel. Kennel, Snowy. Snowy, kennel. 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 No. No hugs from me right now. Maybe later. Kennel. No. Kennel. Good girl. Good girl. And you don't get toys right now. You're doing Hanse.
I'm Donald Trump, and I approve this message.
Okay? You're in timeout, in other words. All right.